The market is open. Order filled. 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 Order filled.
There is always me, and there is always me. 내게 돌아오는 날만 내게 사랑하는 거라고 내게로 돌아 내게로 돌아 나의 나의 운명이 나 사이에 내게 돌아온 내게 돌아온 Hello, everybody. Welcome back. Welcome back, guys. To see y'all back here. How's it going? Bo Bosch. Hey, what is up? Hola, hola. Cocochini, Dan Amons. What is up, everybody? Eugene Blab. Oh, yeah, let me just end the poll. Wow, barbecue in one hand and sparkler in the other, 58%. So I would assume you guys are all having a great time with yourself and your family. Everybody have a great independence, my fellow traders in the USA. The biggest and the largest. Paven, what up, Paven? Injay. JT Burma, what is up? Next trader. Yeah, we are all watching the NQ not do anything. I mean, it's a exactly. That's exactly what it is right now. The market is absolutely doing nothing. It is a chop, and this is exactly what I was kind of expecting. Well, I didn't expect this market to get a bounce like that right up here. I was like, oh mama, you've got to be kidding me. You've got to be kidding me. I thought we were gonna pull back. Instead, you got a nice little bounce. It was a tough one for sure. Anyways, the market down a little bit now. We are down a little bit right now as we speak. Let's just do a little bit of a connection here. I don't know why my Take Profit Trader always keeps getting disconnected for some reason. Hopefully it's back now. All right, guys, we're pulling back here. Pulling back. What up, 7 Money Bag, the next trader. Fiber Spice Gold in the house as well. Everybody, thank you guys for being here tonight. Miroski, what is up? Andreas is back in the house. J.A. Wright is here as well. Kid Poker in the house. Always great to see everybody back again. Kid Poker, you blew your PA today cause effing market goes up every single time. I do not disagree with you. It's definitely a very difficult sort of a market to trade in because the market keeps moving to the upside, and we want to ride the long. And as soon as we try to ride the long, the market starts to pull back. And then we keep holding it back to a point where the market just takes you out completely, wipes you out completely, and then reverses back again. This is exactly what happened today. I think this is exactly what happened today, guys. Right there, take a look. I know that because the market closed at 1 o'clock today. And guess what? 50 minutes before the market closed, that was a big dump. all the way down into the 23. Retest of this VWAP there, and then guess what? You got a slingshot bounce back up again. That was literally about 60 points. So it's tough. It's tough. We had, what up? We had Miroski, Kid Poker in the house, Paven. Andreas, Jenrik, I'm reading your comments. Yeah, it's tough. It's definitely a tough journey. Nicholas, mixed trades. Kid Poker, Kid Poker is in the hole. Will take forever to actually make it back again because profitable. That's why I'm just about down. Hey Monica, how's it going? Nicholas, Jaemin, 안녕하십니까? 스톡 타이거 채널에 오신 것을 환영합니다. Oh man, I'm feeling hot. I had to take off my little might be a range. Beat it! Beat it! Don't you know it? Beat it! Yup. MP Plague. We got a lot of new members, by the way. That's a very good signal that it almost kind of feels like the algorithm is finally moving. Oh man, this YouTube is really hard right now. Very, very difficult. Oh, MP Lamek, thank you so much for your membership. Thank you so much for your support to the stream. Big shout out to MP Lemick, everybody. Thank you. It's my pleasure, it's my honor to be able to live stream in front of all my fellow traders. You guys are the absolute #1 reason the Stock Tiger is here, still streaming here tonight, guys. Thank you everybody for all your support. All right, guys, the market kind of choppy here. I didn't really get a chance to trade this morning. I'll be very honest with you. I did end up trading a couple accounts. I can't remember exactly what it was. Oh, by the way, I got some Bulanox accounts this afternoon after finding out that they've got some 90% off on their accounts. So let's see if I can actually trade those accounts well. I got a whole bunch. Yeah, it looks like, well, is this going to be a double bottom here? Double bottom? Is this what it is? And then bounce? Is this what the market's gonna try and do? It's hard to say. We are so overly extended right now to the upside. Let's see. Can we not see a little bit of a descending wedge? Right, descending wedge. Before we can grind back up again. Wow. I mean, can you guys imagine if we actually held a swing trade right early in the morning? That was a pre-market. Pre-market, of course, oh man, I don't even want to talk about it. But anyways, I did try to not YOLO, trade the pre-market against the NFP, and of course I got cooked on the trades. The market started to pull back, but can you guys imagine if you guys actually held a swing trade in the morning? So let's say you entered with 3 micro contracts and you held from here, anywhere here. Anyway, it does not really necessarily have to be. Let's just say you bought it here as well, 3 micro, and you held it throughout the rest of the day. This would have been a big, big win. Can you guys imagine? Some of my biggest wins are usually the swing trades, especially when I'm with about 3 to 4 micro. That's when I usually do always get into good trades. A lot of cases. So we just cracked a little bit underneath the VWAP here. We are dipping underneath the VWAP. NJ, you fourth over 2 or 3 micro long sold. Nice. Tiger, Monica. Oh, I've been so bad lately. It's not even funny anymore. You know, I just kind of feel like, you know, when I have that sort of a distraction in me, I've noticed that I'm not really good when I have a lot of distractions. Peter Fong, what is your thoughts about the short position here? I mean, honestly, all right, 1 second. Like if it's me right now, I'm shorting this trade right here, right now. Technically, my stop will have to be in that 65 if I'm shorting. If I'm longing right now, my stop will have to be in that 19 area, right? So if you're shorting, I would probably, like, I had a bad entry, but ideally you want to be somewhere here to short the market. That's the range bound. That's the channel, a little tight channel that we have during Asia. And if you truly believe that there's no chance, if you truly believe that there's no chance to get a bounce, then if you think this is kind of like the top here at the VWAP, if this is the top that you believe that's what it is, then, I mean, if I believe this is going to be the top here, then I would end up getting short at 44 and place my stop at 51, I would say, a little tight one, depending on what sort of a contract size you're in. So only in 3 micro contracts, then I would probably end up putting my stop here at 64. If I've got like 20 micro, I'll probably end up putting my stop here at 50. So it really depends on what sort of a trade you try to get into. Right now, I've got 20 micros at 38 with a stop at 65. Hey, Born to Win, thank you. We'll see you later. Monica, Talk Tiger is going to produce. Monica, do you have a long weekend too? Are you off tomorrow? Are you actually working tomorrow or what? Justin Wright, I'm here. I'm watching the market. I'm waiting for a rejection here at the view up. Oh man, guys, I had a long day. A lot of work, guys. It's that time of the year, obviously. Things are getting very busy. So I had to get a lot of paperwork done. Oh. Monica, you don't have a holiday? No holiday? You have a late shift tomorrow? Oh, I see. Okay. Take a little rest, Monica. So this morning I had 4 XFAs. I ended up losing 2, and the other 2 was also kind of like I almost lost it, but I ended up gaining back on the rest of the 2 accounts that I had on my XFAs, and luckily these 2 accounts are up right now as you speak. It's got a little bit over $1,000 on both accounts. So I'm very glad that you survived out of that thunderstorm, out of major thunderstorm this morning. 2 survived, and those 2 are in good standing so far. So I'll take it. You know, it could have been worse. It could have been better. Hey.
Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm gonna trail my stop here at 44. Two, 4, 6. Maybe I get something out of this right now. Miroski. Monica, when are you planning to show the home tour? Yeah, I'm already too exposed right now. I don't want to expose it any further than I'm already am. You guys want to see my trading desk? All right, guys, let's see if we get a little pullback here, back down. Maybe a retest of this previous low, previous equal low here at 25. What's the next level? Next level, I would say, would be somewhere here in that 16. We could get a push into, like, this 27 does not hold. I think we pull back into the 16. I thought we already hit 23K, didn't we? Let's take a look at a 30 minutes chart. Like, this is on a 30 minutes chart, by the way. And the reason my thesis behind going short this afternoon, right at the open, was because you kiss the 23,900, sorry, 23,090 area. Let's just round the number, 23,100. And then you start to get an aggressive pullback, and you got the VWAP here. And so as soon as the market opened, we were struggling. We got a little doji candle, a bearish doji candle that was kind of like barely holding the VWAP. And I was like, if we get a rejection of this 59, then I'm gonna look to go short in this market. Unfortunately, I got into this trade a little bit late because I didn't get a chance to hop on this trade on a bounce. I got in a little bit early, and I ended up adding to my position on a pullback, and I thought this could be it. And then obviously the market starts to get a bounce, and then that obviously ended up making me look bad because my entry is obviously down there in that 35, which would have been beautifully done if I had to enter, let's just say, even at 50, would have been really nice. Like in this zone, if I would have entered here, somewhere here, it would have been a lot better than where I am right now, 35. Like psychologically, it makes a huge difference. Like you entering at 50 versus you entering at 35, there's a lot of pressure. You trying to hold on to this trade, a lot of pressure because the market, you know, as soon as the market starts to bounce, like, can you guys imagine? I entered here at 35, and this thing actually went all the way up to 58, and I was like, you know what? I could be in trouble on this trade. I could be in trouble, but I did not. Like, I took a look at this chart, and I was like, I definitely have a chance. I definitely have a chance in this trade. Yes, my entry is pretty bad, but I still have a chance on this trade because I thought maybe we pull back here into this zone, which should be 23,000. Maybe we tap this zone here into here, and that would be like 23,000. And I thought maybe 23,000 is where the market wants to go today. And that's what I had in my mind. And that's the reason I got into this trade here. I got a little bit early because I wanted to get in from 50, but I ended up getting in from 35, which was obviously not intentional. It just happened to be that way. And so anyways, I'm in this trade right now holding, and I'm looking for a little bit of a push to the downside, maybe a crack underneath the 27 and maybe a pullback into the 16. And then I'm going to maybe try to look to go long, depending on how we retest this zone again. If we start to do this, bounce, pullback, bounce, and then we try to break out of this zone, push, then I'll look to go long from here, and then look for a reversal in this trade again. But for right now, I'm kind of thinking we still have some more room to the downside because I think the market wants to grab this liquidity that's available here in 27 and 16. We got a lot of liquidity here for a grab. So I do think we pull back here in this zone before we start to get a bounce. If the market truly has what it takes to get a bounce, that is. Right now, I do think we get a bounce, we get a pull back into this zone. So, but if we get a bounce above the VWAP, I like to get stopped out here at 52. I think that could be a signaling a bit of a reversal in this trade. So I'll exit this trade at 50 in that zone. And for right now, I'm looking for a little bit of a pullback into the low 23,000s and look to exit this trade and go long again. So let's see if it actually does a pullback into this zone. If we do, that's great because I want to take bulk of my profits off the table if I can. Once again, thank you to our new members. Thank you so much to MP Lemick for your support to the stream. Never story. All right, how did you guys do, everybody? Hey, True Crusader, how's it going? Welcome back. Oh, MP11, you watching Squid? What do you mean Squid Game? Is Squid Game actually on right now? Really? NJ, you're short from 55? NJ, you're short from 55? What a beautiful entry, bro. It takes a lot of pressure to be entering on a short position at 55. It's not easy. It sounds easy, but it's really not easy. And NJ got in at 55. Kudos to you, brother. What a champion. Paven, what is going on, Paven? Paven 23,130. Paven says 23,130. Wow, you see a bounce back up again? Is that what you see? I mean, I wouldn't discount that. I certainly did think we get a bounce, but I don't know. It's I'm gonna try and take one at a time right now. One at a time. That's too far away from here. So I'm just gonna use this channel as a way to kind of gauge what sort of a trade I gotta get into. So I like to assume that this would be the channel, right? And you have a little micro channel, which would be in this right here. This is the micro channel. So what I'm trying to say is maybe we break it down and then try to get a bounce back again from there. After stretching all the way down to the 23, maybe we start to get a bounce back again. So we'll see what this market does. Oh, Monica, instead of samosa. No, that's not a samosa. That's a little. I don't even know what it is. I don't even know what it is. That's samosa. You lost your Justin, right? I lost mine too. You're not alone, brother. You're not alone. I really had a I get. I mean, you reminded me because I actually lost my expert account this morning. And I lost my Tradify as well. Can you guys imagine if you were actually copy trading discounts? I would have lost a lot of accounts by now. Incredible, the power of not copy trading. Yeah, I'm definitely going through some challenges here. So, by the way, I got quite a few accounts that I bought with the Bulanox. The Bulanox, I got a whole bunch, as you guys can see. I'm gonna start to trade the Bulanox one right now. Let's have some fun with our evals, guys. Today's a beautiful day. It's an Independence Day in the United States of America. All right, let's have some fun. You know. Let's see if we can actually pass some couple nice evals here in front of us. I'm gonna use a 3 minutes chart now. 3 minutes chart. Yeah, it looks like it wants to get a bounce, right? It does look like it wants to get a bounce. Yeah, Bulanox is 91%. ¿Cómo estás? ¿Cómo estás, everybody? No bueno, no pasa nada. Yeah, right, Monica, you've been saying that for a while now. I've been waiting for that. Hola, hey, estuvo bien. Pesado el día, la neta nada salí. Como tu plané, cada entrada que ve, cada setup core, pesio bueno, pum supiu en contra. Vacío lepa, pero el mercado simplemente guaye dile de no solo por la que uno prende, sino por la mente. Por entrato que uno mete. Oh. Yeah, I mean, I'm in a 1 minute chart because we're in the Asian market and the market obviously is not moving at all right now. So I thought maybe I might as well just use 1 minute chart. But usually, yes, you're right. Adjusted right. I'm a big fan of a 3 minutes chart. And thank you for noticing that. I'm usually on a 3 minutes chart, by the way. The market definitely really slow. I'm not really sure. Once I'm done with this top step XFA, what I'm gonna try and do is move to my Billionaires accounts. My Billionaires Eval accounts, which I bought at 91%. I'm gonna try and trade those accounts a little bit more aggressively alongside my fellow traders here at YouTube Live. And I'm gonna try and see if I can have a lot of fun with it. But this is trading the XFA. This is the funded account that I'm trading right now. So I would like to close this if I can with a little over 200 bucks. So that will put me an extra 1 day as a count as a day. Muy bien, muy bien, muy bien. Gracias, gracias solo. Plesad. Monica and Kitty in 8 minutes. All right, I completely forgot about the. Why am I so hungry, guys? I've got to eat something. I'm really hungry. It was a long day. I had a bad pre-market, by the way. I don't know if you guys noticed in my video, or if you guys were in the live stream today. You guys obviously noticed that I got into some weird situation with my TP was definitely supposed to get triggered, but it did not get triggered, and I ended up losing a couple accounts, which I thought I got it, but I guess not. And then a little bit later during the day, I got into some couple of trades with my funded futures expert account, and the Tradify ended up losing those as well. So not a great day, but it's a long day too. Long day. So overall, yeah, I mean, this month we are only 2-3 days away. Well, we only passed 2 days, but it kind of feels like it's been over 2 weeks now. I don't know if you guys feel the same right here, but it really kind of feels like it's been over 2 weeks. Oh, really? Solo, we Spanish speakers use the same criteria to view the markets. Nice. So what is the market trying to do now? Let's see if we can actually get above this pivot here. We got a little line that I've drawn here that's a pivot at 36. Let's see if we get over that level right now. Wow, look at this pullback here. Let's take one.
Order filled.
Right, took one off the table, down to
Order
10.
filled.
Alright guys, if you guys are having a lot of fun, If you guys like what you guys see, please take a moment to smash the like, subscribe as well, and hit that notification bell too if you can. Thank you guys for your support to the stream, and thank you guys once again for being here as well. That's a little pullback that we're getting right now, 32. Oh, Jamin, eat some ramen. I don't have a ramen right now. No ramen, unfortunately. Hello, John. What is up? All right, guys. The market is pretty much. I mean, even though the market's slow, I think the market will definitely try to move in one direction. They've got 50 more seconds for Japan to open, for Tokyo to open. Alright guys, Tokyo is open now. Can we expect to see a little bit of volatility start to pick up again? Sitting at 32. I may close this trade. Taking one down.
Order filled.
Moving my stop to break even. Oh no, I lied. Moving my stop to 39. I'm looking for a pullback now.
Order
To one more off, down to 7. I'm gonna try and close this trade so I can move to my Bulanox with 7 mini contracts. I'm gonna be trading 7 mini contracts, guys, on the Bulanox eval accounts. Let's have fun with those. Because I'm gonna enter long here.
Order filled.
Okay, I'm in a 3-minute chart. Alright guys, I flattened this trade. I'm gonna lock it in. That's 235, so I'll take that and walk away. So I wouldn't be trading that now. Moving back to the Bilanox guys. So Bilanox eval accounts, and you can trade 7 mini contracts. So I'm gonna YOLO everything that I have here to make it a little bit more exciting, and look to see if I can actually pass a few of these, if I can. Like I've got to have like 17 I've got to have 7 mini contracts to kind of like try and pass, really. Right? I think that's what it's supposed to be.
Order filled.
Alright guys, I'm with 7 contracts now. Sorry, I'm with 5. So I got what I need on my XFA. I got 230 bucks on that trade, so I'll take that. Walk away with that. I locked it in. I've got 1600 on that. I'm gonna try and make a slow grind to the upside. Slow grind. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take time. So I've got 7 contracts. Yeah, I mean, this thing will have to really pull back about 20 points to stop me out on the trades, right? So I think it's doable as long as you like. If my entries are a little bit on the lower end, if we are going to be sitting in this channel for a while, then I think it's good to try to long here, try to short here, and get it out of the trade right up here, something like that, right? So, but this is only possible if you believe that this is going to be a little bit of a channel play. So as long as this is a channel within the channel, then I think we should be okay, in my opinion. But again, it's who knows. This is what I'm going to try and do right now. I'm going to look to see if we get a bounce. And I'm gonna get into multiple trades with other accounts as well. So let's say if I'm down on this by $600-700 bucks, I'll try to enter another account. You know what I mean? So let's have some fun here tonight on these accounts. Already had a bad day, so Vikram, what is up? What is up, Vikram? Donna, welcome back. I've also got to buy some more trade day as well. I'm gonna try and step in a little more aggressively. So this is what I plan to do right now. NKD is pulling back. What am I doing right now? I should be trading NKD, guys. I completely forgot about NKD. All right, guys. I'm gonna go short NKD.
Order filled.
Look at the spread, guys. Horrible.
Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected. Order rejected.
Hey, Kispec 2001, what is up? Yeah, I know, I completely get wrecked. NKD's Like, I'll tell you what, guys, NKD is my second worst instrument that I trade. I'm telling you right now. The first one is gold. I get lucky too at trading gold, but in a lot of cases, if you average it out, I'm probably one of the worst traders as far as the gold is concerned. And NKD comes in second. It's funny. Not that I'm any better with NQ, but I've been just trading horrible. But somehow, magically, Stock Tiger ends up getting some payouts. Anyways, NQD, I mean, we got a little pullback here from 4,060, but now it looks like we're kind of holding. 40K here, 40K. This would be another level on watch. 40K right here. If we can tap this again and get a pullback here, look, we're getting a bounce. We're getting a bounce here. So I drew that line here at 40,000. If we go like that, I'll be out of this trade, of course. Or am I gonna be in the green? I don't know. We'll find out right now. Tony Gold. Hey, what is going on? Profess guy. Red candle. What is up? Seas. Long time, bro. Gringo El Diablo in the house. El fácil tener bien, animo cuando todo ve bien, pero cuando vemos allí es donde se ve que estemos secos. Si tú también tuviste un mal día. Oh, look at that, guys.
Order filled.
Y que no estemos por suerte, estamos todo disciplina. Are we gonna actually get a pullback here? Let's take a look at what was that again? I'm gonna NQ. I'm actually down on NQ right now as we speak. Let's take profits here at this level. Let's just go back to NQD. Just keep in mind this evaluates a trailing drawdown, so usually with the trading drawdown accounts, I try to put take profit
Order filled.
levels pretty quickly. It does look like we may get one more flush here and then get a bounce. It is easy. It's definitely easier to get into better trades, meaning better profits. But if you're on the losing side of the trade, trading the NKD, then guess what
Order
happens?
filled.
You can also easily lose these accounts. So anyways, I got into this trade right now.
Order filled.
All right, there you go. It's getting filled.
Order filled.
All right, one more. I'm down to 2 now. I may get this. We may get this through. So if NKD is pulling back like this, maybe we get a pullback in NQ too. I don't know. Wow. Did I actually get stopped out on the NQ? Oh no, I didn't. All right, guys.
Order filled.
I'm gonna get in with
Order filled. Order
7
filled.
contracts. I'm moving back and forth right now as we speak. Let's go back to NKD. This is the problem, going back and forth. All right, I still have this contract. Okay, I'm gonna close this. Should I close this right now?
Order filled.
All right, guys, I actually got triggered. So I do think that we pull back here into the 875s. Maybe pull back here. All right, we'll leave that there. We'll leave the NKD trade there as is. And we'll look at the other trades right now as we speak.
Order filled.
All right, guys, not a bad trade. So I'm just moving back and forth, NKD and NQ. I'm just trying to see if there's anything else other than these two that I can kind of get into trades as well. Maybe gold. I don't know what the gold is doing. Yeah, you can actually have both charts open. Hold on one second, guys. I'm gonna have both. I didn't realize that. Thank you. Oh, no, I can't. I can't do that. I can't do that. I can't do that. You can't have both open, unfortunately. NKD, let's just go back to NKD here for a moment. Where's my trade? All right, guys, I'm gonna exit this trade right here.
Order filled.
Okay, so that's it for NKD. We'll move back to NQ. I can't have 2 charts open at the same time, unfortunately. Doesn't look like I can.
Order filled.
Whoa, you've got to be kidding me here, guys. Let's say I've got another account that I'm trading in right now. There we go.
Order filled.
I've got 3. Let's see if we get back into the VWAP here. So I've got 3 accounts and trading both right now. So we got here. That's a nice little bounce off that low. A beautiful, beautiful hanging man. 23,000. We just literally tapped the 23,016.
Order filled.
That's the area we just talked about. Yes, you can have 2 screens, really? Okay, hold on one second. Oh, I see. Like that. There we go. Is it what you're talking about? Is it what you're talking about? Let's see if I can actually have NKD as well here. But I think you have to disconnect, correct? You have to disconnect. How do I do that? No, I got into an NKD trade. I just got out of that trade right now. Unlink it, yo. Oh my dear. Yeah, I did definitely miss that NKD trade. That could have been an easy peasy. How do you add chart link? How do you unlink this stupid thing? Up in the NQ. Oh, maybe it's here. There we go. Maybe I got this. NQ. Oh my god, you've got to be kidding me, bro. Hold on one second. Let me just exit this trade. Let me just get out of my trades for now.
Order filled.
Let me just exit all my trades. Damn, could have been a nice one. Up at the top left, where NQ is a link. Up in the top left. Up in the top left. Oh, ho, 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 ho. Symbol, copy, visual, move to pin to right. Oh, link. I think this is the one. Let's see. NKD. Oh, there you go, guys. I think I got it. Thank you, everybody. Thank you, guys. But can I pick the account though? Oh my God. But it's gonna be the same account, correct? I think if I'm not wrong. So essentially, you have to trade the same account. I think that's what it is.
Order filled.
How do I enter? But how do I enter though? Oh. Very confused. I'd like to see this panel, trading panel if you will, and this one on the left hand side, but I can't find it. Oh, only one account? Dang, guys, getting a bounce.
Order filled.
I guess I'm gonna try and reload long here.
Order filled. Order filled.
I guess I'm long right now. Let's go a little aggressive. Guys, just keep in mind, I'm willing to lose these accounts. These are evals. Just want to be very clear out there. These are eval accounts. Kid poker. Yeah, it doesn't look like they allow to trade both. I guess you gotta have a two different DOM. You're right. And you know what? I might as well have one here as well. DOM, one more DOM maybe. Oh. So I can have one here. I can leave one here. Let's see. Oh my dear, you gotta be kidding me. Take it out. There we go. Silly Millie. Oh, hold on one second. Did I get did my account get blown or what? Hold on one second. Where's my trade? It says I'm open trade right now, but I just can't see that account. where's my trade? Well, let's just cancel this, guys. This is too confusing, so let's move back to 1. So, where is my other account that I'm trading? Where's my order? I can't find my order. And I'm down. I think that's gonna get blown now. Oh man, that's really confusing. Hold on 1 second. Let me just let's try to re-enter.
Order filled.
All right.
Order filled.
Where's my order? I can't see my order though. Position tab. Oh, this is pulling back here. Oh, let me just flatten this.
Order filled.
Okay, just flatten this trade. Where's my... Yeah. No, it's not MNQ, it was NQ. Because I had 7 contracts on that trade. It's weird. I don't know where it went. Let's try something else.
Order filled.
Yeah, man, I can't see the freaking order. What the hell?
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
Well, I just got in right now. I can't find anything. I just entered. Oh, let's try to refresh. Yeah, you're right. Let's try to refresh this thing. Oh, man. It's weird. I mean, I can literally see my order right now. That's weird, guys. I don't understand. Alright, we'll just use this. That's fine. You can have double order panel. Yeah, we'll try the next time. For now, we'll just try to. Oh, this is linking now. Okay. Let's try to do it 15 minutes. It's fine. I'll figure that out later. For now, let's get into some trades. All right.
Order filled.
I still like a setup to the downside, guys. I don't know what you guys think, but I prefer a down trade, downwards trend.
Order
I
filled.
like shorting this, so I'm gonna cancel my order. Where's my order? My order.
Order filled.
I'm gonna flatten this trade.
Order filled.
Placing my limit orders now. We're so different in the way we think. I mean, I prefer a downside move because we got a lot of pressure. I mean, we got a lot of resistance here. We're completely underneath all the EMAs. We really broke underneath a Q level 2. So I'm kind of thinking maybe we get some more push to the downside. Maybe get a little spike. That would be another shorting opportunity in my opinion. We got a view up here at 40, but maybe try to push over this pivot here right now. But then I get a rejection and pull back maybe. That's what I'm kind of thinking at the moment. So I've got my limit orders now. We'll see if we can actually get this. The market definitely is slow. Just gotta keep an eye on that. But pull back here.
Order filled.
One, two, three, four, five, six. There you go. We'll see. We'll see what comes. Profess guy, tiger all the way at the top of the screen. There's a double box next to the X on the top right. When you click that, you can open a second window. Okay. Monica, please stop scaring me. Stop scaring me. Volume? Are we still talking about the volume? There's absolutely no volume at all right now. No volume. NKD is going up, but yeah, I mean, is anything else going up too? Let's take a look at the gold. Gold is getting a bounce too as well right now. Gold actually looks better than, at least gold is above VWAP, which is very important. Let's take a look at the CL. CL, really nothing there to look. YM, nothing there as well. And KD really is the only one that we can kind of look to trade. I mean, I see the NKD trying to get a bounce, but NQ actually looks more bearish than NKD. Yes, but NKD had a bigger pullback though. You have to think about that, right? So you got a bigger pullback on NKD, and now it's just getting a little bit of a relief bounce.
Order filled. Order
Right,
filled.
I'm with 7 contracts now. Already in 7 contracts.
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled.
Man, my thing almost got triggered here. And this is in a different account. It's my other account. There we go. Hey guys, let's see if we get a pullback here. And Kitty is getting a bounce. And Kitty's getting a bounce. Thank you. Is it going to follow suit, or it kind of feels like two different animal here. It almost really kind of feels like, you know, we get a little bit more extension here to the downside on NQ versus the NQD, looking definitely slightly better. It's weird. It's weird how NQ looks weak and NKD actually looking pretty good too. Or maybe we get a bounce on NQ, like the way we getting a bounce on NKD. We'll see. Just looking at the, I mean, I like to make this really simple and not try to complicate my trade. We're still at this pivot. We're still underneath the pivot. We broke underneath the key support here at 24. So I'm kind of thinking we may try to sweep the 23K, which is going to be a big psychological level here, 23. So maybe we bring it down to 23 before we get a little bit of a bounce back up again, maybe. So this is my target here at 23K. Initially, I'll probably one flush and I'll just get out of my trade, really. One more flush is all we need. Yeah, I'm just really looking for one flush. I mean, just keep in mind, there's no volume. So we could literally see something like this to the moon. Nobody knows. With this view up right here, we could also see this thing bounce right up. And that's the risk we're taking right now on this trade. I like to see a quick flush here to the downside instead of trying to hold, because the more we try to hold this area, it's a problem. Yeah, I mean, expect a quick bounce too. Absolutely, I agree. You could get a bounce, you can get a pullback here, but again, like I said, I've got 7 contracts, so really all I need is like a little less than 10 points. All I need is like 7-8 points to really move this thing. Ooh. Uh, oh, so oh, oh, ah. Oh wow, this is literally just sitting there, not doing anything. John. Drew the lion. Ryan. Gold. Pound. What up, Pound? We just can't get busted down. I know, hey? I know, we just can't even do like a 1 point move to the downside. 늦어와서 무슨 소용있겠어. 다시 볼 수 없는 이별인데 돌이킬 수 없는 건 난 알고 있지만 그냥 잡아두고 싶지만 아니라도 언젠가 우리 다시 만날 텐데 안 되겠죠. 사랑에 빠지게 만들었다 왜 서로 날 떠나요. 그래서 Have a great weekend, John. Have a great weekend. Thank you for being here, John. Johnny Walker in the house. All right, come on, guys. One more time. I love you. 기억하나요? 그댄 눈빛에 I love you. 오래 후회서야 내게 우리 사랑할 때 거라 생각했죠. 너무나도 아름다웠기에 미안해 그대 다 봐주는 내 아니라도 언젠가 우리 다시 만날 텐데 Alright guys, back to trading. Holy cow, it still didn't move. It still didn't move. Final countdown, we're just having a little fun with the Billinox eval accounts that I just bought for it's 91%. I bought for like $15. I bought quite a few. And we're trying to pass this. We're trying to pass this on the fastest moving session ever right now. Are we actually going to get a pullback here? All I'm really looking for is 3 points. 어떻게 나에게 차가운 슬픔이 너무도 힘든데 마지막 Is this market actually going to move? Actually going to move? Actually going to finally move? 그냥 혼자 치고만 혼자 무너진 사랑이란 너그 앞에서 제한되는 불빛 혼자 후회하고 늘 휘청거리면서 조급하고 사랑이란 넌 그놈 앞에서 난 나는 웃음이 저거야 사랑해 너도 생각해준 멜로디 사랑해 자기 마음대로 돌아가면 Holy cow, guys. I thought my scene is gonna actually bring the market down. Wow, it's completely dead, guys. What is the market going to do tomorrow? If this is the kind of a price action we're getting right now, what is it going to be tomorrow? It's gonna get pretty interesting. And guess what, guys? As soon as I try to end my stream, I'm telling you the market's going to start to move again. And I'm gonna have to make a call to be on a live stream again a little bit later tonight for sure. I'm telling you right now. This has happened to me over and over again every day. Oh, let's just bring it down to 23 for the stream. It almost kind of feels like everybody's waiting for this thing to pull back into 23 here. Jeez, man, it's just sitting there, sitting there. Nobody's trading for sure. Tomorrow is the Independence Day. S&P Global Hong Kong Entire Economic PMI at the lowest level since March 2022. So Hong Kong economy is not looking good too. looks like a bounce here. We just broke out of this pivot here. 25. 없이 사는 이님은 그대만 가진다면 이름은 한강냄돼 내 가슴이 갈라져 없는 꿈으로 이쯤에 외쳐봐도 그는 내 눈을 같아요 그 삶만 보는 끝에 더도 찾을게요 헤어지지 않아요 얼마나 슬픈 일을 지내요 나는 모자란 내 사랑에 눈뜨게 하려고 잠시 갈라놓을 거요 Are we finally going to get a pullback here? Are we finally going to get a 1 point pullback here? 1 point, come on. 1 point. We can't even get that. Actually, let me just take a look and see how many accounts I'm in the trade right now. Oh dear, I'm actually in a trade with 2 accounts. 234 and 235. I'm a trade on this one too. Holy moly. You have a question about Take Profit Trader? When do the demo? Can I take my time? If I pick the 50K and need to make 3K, do I need that within a certain number of days? So you, 1 second. So you have 5 days. You have to trade 5 days no matter whether you like it or not. You have to trade 5 days on your eval account with Take Profit Trader. And out of the 5, all you have to make sure is you're not above 50%. You're not above the 50% of the target. So let's say on the first day you make 1,500. On the second day you make 1,400. No, sorry. On the first day you make 1,500. On the second day you make 1,500. So that's 3K. You've got your target, but you still have to trade 3 days more, 3 more days. All you have to do is just flip those accounts, like $1, $1, $1, and that's it. That's all you've got to do. So just you have to stay within the 50% consistency rule on your evals, and you have to trade it for 5 days. That's all you have to worry about on your eval. And evals are not trading; those are static. What if you take more than 5 days? That's the minimum 5 days. So you can trade for as long as you want. 10 days, 15 days, 20 days, it's up to you. But obviously the more you take, that much you're going to be delaying in getting into your funded account, because the whole purpose of this journey is to get yourself into the funded accounts. At least for me, I mean, like, I wouldn't want to spend too much energy and time trading evals. right? Because at the end of the day, what pays you is the funded accounts. So if you cannot get into the funded stage, and if you just keep trading the eval and taking a lot of time to trade the evals, it's going to be that much harder for you to get into the funded account and eventually get into the payout mode too, right? If you got 30 days in a given month, and if you're going to take 15-20 days to trade the eval to pass, how are you going to get your payouts in the next 10 days? It's nearly impossible. Unless you're going to take, unless if your plan is to say, get your payout in the next in the next 90 days, then that's a different conversation. And you're okay with one account, for example. If you're that sort of a type of trader, I've known a lot of traders who would have just one account and they would just literally trade that one account for like 4 months. But the big catch here, it sounds great on a paper, but you trade for 4 months and you end up losing that account right before you get into the payouts. So can you imagine, for 4 months you worked so hard to get the payout on one account that you've been trading that single account for the 4 months, and you end up losing that account for whatever reasons it may be, not getting into a single payout. So guess what? You've spent 4 months of your time. 4 months of your time. Number one, 4 months. Number two, 3 months on eval. And the final month, that's 1 month on a funded stage. And eventually you ended up blowing because, for whatever reasons it may be, maybe because the funded accounts are trailing, drawdown, maybe because you didn't close your account on a let's say on a short day like today, for example. If you don't close your account, then your account get blown, no matter how great that account looks. Because if you don't close that account, then you end up losing. And there could be many other reasons. Maybe you're not feeling well, but you end up trading, you get squeezed, and then you end up really only having a little bit of a drawdown remaining on that account, and you get pissed, and you start to get angry, and you start to get emotional, and you end up losing that account in the 4th month. Yeah, I mean, time is money too. Time is, you're paying a price. The more you drag, you're definitely paying a price. At least based on my observation of trading in this profit journey for about 16 months, I came to the conclusion that time is really important. And no matter how bad of trades you make, or let's say you're going through a major slump, for example, one thing that you really have to, like, if me, this is a must. This is a must for me. Like, I may get emotional, I may get angry in my trades, and I may blow accounts, I may YOLO accounts, I may tilt my accounts. You could do a lot of funky stuff with your trades, whether it's a funded account or eval, it doesn't matter. But there's one thing I always have to make sure, and this I have always made sure I respect this. And this one thing is calculating your expenses, right? I think that's, for me, calculating how much I've spent in that given month becomes extremely, extremely important. Extremely important. In this profit journey, I think without you doing the math of how much you've already spent, or how much you're willing to spend, or how much are you able to spend, if you don't know these things, your trading becomes extremely difficult down the road, down the path. I don't think it's gonna get you, put you in a deep hole. So I think it's very important that for me, it's become like a habit now. Naturally, as you get closer to the new month, I always think about how much I've got, like what's my budget. It's almost kind of, almost like a company, right? You have a company and you have a marketing spend, you've got advertising spend, you've got other expenditures, and maybe it's M&A, or it could be variable expenses, it could be fixed expenses, it could be employee expenses, right? The overheads. It could be a lot of different things, and you gotta account for those expenses before you actually start to even get into trades, for that matter. Good night, Monica. You'll see you tomorrow for sure. So yeah, I mean, I think before you even get to trades, for me, I think that's probably the most important thing. Definitely the most important. Ultimately the most important, that really matters the most, because that's going to dictate how you trade even. If I don't do that, then yeah, I could get into real deep trouble for sure. The market, guys, man, it's a slow grind to the upside. Hold on 1 second. I may end up blowing this. Let me try to... The slow grind to the upside right now. I don't have a lot of drawdowns on one of these accounts. Yeah, man, this market's definitely... It's... I don't know. I'm pretty sure it took out a lot of traders on this push to the upside, and everybody was trying to go long at about 10 today, thinking it's just gonna keep going. And then guess what? The market pulls back all the way down. That's literally about 880 points. Incredible how strong this market is, and yet you have this quick, fierce pullback that does not really give you a lot of chance to think about getting out unless you have your hard stop. But that's a really challenging part about this trading, this market right now, is it doesn't freaking stop pushing to the upside. It just keeps moving, and by the time you try to look to enter a trade, it's already too late. You're like trading up here, looking for one more leg to the upside, and then obviously the market starts to pull back down and stop everybody out. And guess what? It tries to bounce back up again. Very frustrating. I don't know. I mean, for me, I think this market has been definitely very difficult. And I think the more difficult because, you know, sometimes when you have these explosive moves in one direction, it sounds easy. And it's easy if you're swing trading. If you're swing trading, you just let it be, right? But if you're not swing trading, if you're day trading and you're scalping into these trades and the market keeps moving in one direction, you're eventually going to get cooked because you're going to try and short at the top, which is fine, which is kind of like, it really makes sense. But it's overextended, but it keeps moving in one direction and then it keeps stopping you out. You keep adding to your position and your accounts get blown, and you keep adding to your position again because you now feel like, oh, this is it. The market definitely will start to pull back now, and it keeps moving. When everybody's literally out of their trades, like everybody literally gives up on their journey on that day. It's like, okay, all right, it's time to pull back, take my profits now. Time to pull back, give 80 points back down. By then, no one's in the trade. And of course, that includes me too. I was not in my trades too. I actually got stopped out on a push to the upside. And then by the time I had nothing to trade, the market started to pull back. You know when that happens, you really want to throw your phone against the wall sometimes. That's what happens. I think this is gonna push. Is that what it is? I think this is gonna push, guys. What I'm going to do right now is, hold on. I still have some what do you call this? Man, this looks like it wants to keep moving higher or what now? Should I try to save this account? We're above, we broke out, we're above the EMAs now. It actually looks pretty good. We can see this thing keep moving to the upside here. I like it to the upside, guys. I'm gonna flatten this trade now.
Order filled.
I kind of feel like I'm, where's that account? There you go. So I'm gonna flatten this account, and I'm gonna look to go long
Order
here.
filled.
Let's see. Finally short the market. I mean, you can obviously get into good trades too. But I think going long is always, I guess, a safer bet, right? And that's why, if you think about it, that's why the short cap stocks, the small cap stocks, some of the penny stocks, for example, if you try to short those accounts, sorry, if you try to short those tickers, you cannot borrow the shares because it doesn't exist, or it's really too expensive to borrow. Like, for example, GME, for example, right? GME, when I was trying to short that a couple of years ago, I didn't get a chance to short because I couldn't borrow the position. So all I really had to do was trade options, and options was not getting me anywhere because, well, it would have, but I mean, options was really too expensive as well too, and you could end up losing all of that options, whatever trade you are in on the JV. So I was trying to short JME, and I couldn't borrow. That's the thing, right? If you try to short the market, that's the challenging part, because if you try to short the small cap stocks, for example, your loss is endless, right? Because you're borrowing the share, and at the end of the day, if you keep squeezing, you end up having to multiply the losses. I agree. All right, guys, man, what is going on here? 23,035 here in the market. It's yeah, I mean, as much as I'm trying to trade, it's tough. It's not moving. It's tough. Yeah, I think it really did find a support at 22, 23 or 22. I think 23. You're talking about 23, 18.
Order filled. 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 Order filled.
The market's starting to move, guys. Market is definitely starting to move. Just as when I was like, okay, well, maybe it's time to call it a day, the market starts to make some move. Is this a coincidence?
Order filled. Order filled.
Get poker in the house. Get poker. It will, Kid Poker. Just gotta be a little patient. So I'm gonna go with this one.
Order filled.
Hmm. Oh.
Order filled. Order filled.
All right, I'm gonna have to now wait and see what this market wants to do. I placed my limit orders right underneath where my enter is into the support zone right above the VWAP, and look to see maybe a quick pullback here back into the VWAP area maybe, and then try to get a bounce off from there to get ourselves back into the 60s maybe. 그림자 친구 그대 우리 어떻게 잊어 그렇게 걸렸는데 그대 요새 시간이 여기 있는데 이 거리를 헤매다 보면 스치는 우리 추억에 왔던 내 맘을 보내
Order filled. Order filled. Order filled. Order rejected.
Holy shit. My account got blown? Really? How did this get blown? Maybe I didn't have enough trailing drawdown or what? I thought I had quite a bit. This pullback is for you. This pullback is for you. Kid Poker, this pullback is for you, bro. I think it's just a little bit of rejection. Well, this VWAP, I don't know. Is this going to be a bigger pullback now? Oh, this could go as well. If the other one got blown in 295, I will probably only have like $300 remaining on this one right now. So hold on one second. I'm just gonna move to something else.
Order filled. Order filled.
I think the other one could get blown here. I don't think I have enough drawdown. I only got like 200 drawdown on, well, maybe a little less than that, $200 drawdown on this. So this could go as well. I've got 2 accounts that could go. So I've got a few open positions right now. Where's my other ones? There we go, this is my other one.
Order filled.
Jeez, guys, the market's really slow. It almost kind of feels like I'm wasting my time now. If this is the sort of a price action we're going to be getting right here. This is not even a 1 point. Let's move this. All right, guys, the market is literally not moving. As much as I want to get into some nice trades with my evals, I don't think I'm going to be getting that today. So I'm going to have to call it here, everybody. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. During the Asia market at 6 p.m. again. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Have a great night. Once again, happy Independence Day to my fellow traders in the USA. I hope you all are having a great day. Have a great weekend. If I don't get a chance to see you guys, we'll see you guys back tomorrow during the Asia 6 p.m. Eastern Time. God bless everybody and peace. Take care, everybody. Nick Trades, K-Spec 2001, Christopher, Nate, Trades, Dan, Dear Lorenzo, Fiber in the house. Everybody, have a great night. Happy Independence Day to y'all. Enjoy with your family. We'll see you guys back tomorrow. Peace out. Good night, final count.